Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to open Pivot Table Editor in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Google Sheets, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Google Sheets, the Pivot Table Editor is a powerful tool for analyzing and summarizing large data sets. By default, the Pivot Table Editor is visible when you create or edit the pivot table. However, if it's not visible, you are accidentally close it, or you can easily enable it or show it again. So here, how we can enable or show the Pivot Table Editor. Now just go here in the insert, and you see there's going to be an option that says Pivot Table. Now, you have an option for the data date range. You see, you can select a data range, or you can simply insert to a new sheet or existing sheet. It's all up to you, because the idea is that when you use the Pivot Table Editor, once you create and show the Pivot Table Editor, alright, it'll support both individual and collaborative efforts in exploring insights and making data-driven decisions across various industries and applications. And of course, you can select a data range from here and just follow along, because the pivot tables created with the editor can be formatted and customized to create professional reports and presentations. And this supports diverse reporting needs, from financial analysis to operational performance tracking, helping anyone from students, professionals, freelancers, clients, companies, employees to organize and summarize data effectively. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.